with the definitions of the elementary events. What is with the elementary events? And events having only one outcome of experiment is known as the elementary or a primary events. Okay, the sum of all the elementary event of experiment is 1. એટલે શું કે કોઈ એક્સપેરિમેન્ટ નો આઉટકમ ફક્ત એક જ હોય. સપોઝ તમે ટોસ કર્યો તો યુ કેટલા આઉટકમ મળશે? એક જ, આઈધર હેડ ઓર એ ટેલ. બે એકી સાથે નહીં મળશે. ઓકે, such types of the event is known as the primary events. Sum of all the primary events is 1. એવા તમે એક્સપેરિમેન્ટ કરો એના અંદર તમે બધા એલિમેન્ટરી ઇવેન્ટ્સ શોધી કાઢો, એની પ્રોબેબિલિટી શોધો, એ બધાનો પ્લસ કરો, then you will get the answer 1. સપોઝ તમે ડાઇસ કરી 1 આવવાની પ્રોબેબિલિટી 1/6, 2 1/6, like this 6 times 1/6 plus 1/6 6 times, you will get the answer 6/6 is equal to 1. Impossible events. નામ પ્રમાણે તમને ખબર પડી જાય કે જે ઇવેન્ટ્સ બનવાની જ નહીં હોય, જે ઇવેન્ટ શક્ય જ નથી, that is known as the impossible events. એટલે શું? એની probability 0. The events whose probability is 0 is known as the impossible events. As for example, the sun rises in the west. With refer to earth. With refer to earth. એક જણો નીકળ્યો મારે, સર વિનોસમાં એમ્પ્લિટ્યુડ વેસ્ટમાં ઉગે તો ભાઈ with refer to earth છે. ઓકે, so the impossible event, probability of getting 8 number in a single throw dice. dice ના ઉપર કેટલા નંબર આવશે? 1 2 3 4 5 6. 8 તમારે આવવાનો કારણ કે ઉપર લખેલો જ નથી. It is not written with any face on this one. If it is a written, then it is not regular die. Clear? So it is also impossible events. Okay, sure or a certain event. If the event whose probability is 1 is known as the sure or a certain events. Okay, the events whose probability is 1 is known as the sure or a certain event. ચોક્કસ એ વસ્તુ બનવાની જ છે, એક રિઝલ્ટ આવવાનું છે, બીજું એના સિવાય કોઈ નથી આવવાનું. that is known as the sure or a certain event. As for example, the sun rises in the east with refer to earth, or the value of probability lies between 0 and 1. Sorry, or second, probability of getting number less than 7 in a single throw of the dice. dice ને તમે આમ કરો તો તમારા 7 નંબર થી ઓછો જ નંબર આવશે રેગ્યુલર ડાઇસ માટે. 1 2 3 4 5 6. યસ, કારણ કે 6 માંથી એક નંબર તો આવવાનો છે. So we will get this one. This is a sure or a certain events whose probability is 1. અને probability કેટલી થશે? 1. whose probability is 1 is known as the sure event. whose probability is 0 is known as the impossible events. Then thus value of probability, આપણી probability ની value આપણે ગઈકાલે કઈ જોઈ? lies between 0 to 1. okay, lies between 0 to 1. it may be also equal to 0 for impossible. it may be also equal to 1 for the certain. So value of probability is always lies between 0 and 1. PE is greater than or equal to 0, or it may be less than 1 or equal to 1. It lies between 0 and 1, including 0 and 0 અને 1 ની સાથે લઈને એ બેની વચ્ચેની તમારી વેલ્યુ આવશે. ઓકે, now referring these problems, cards problems, we have something learned about the your playing cards. તમે playing cards જોયેલા ને? એ ટોટલ પ્લેઇંગ કાર્ડ્સ કેટલા આવે? એક કેટના અંદર તમે ઓકે there are how many playing cards in the cat? કેટલા આવશે? 52 ટોટલ આપણે બધા ગણીએ તો કેટલા કાર્ડ્સ છે? 52. એને બે it is divided into two categories, black and red. કયા કેટમાં આપણે ભાગ કરી દેશું? that is your black and that is your red. So how many it is? It is 26 black cards, 26 red cards. આ રીતે આ જો 26 red અને 26 black થઈ ગયું. It is further divided into the four shoot, spade, club, red card, diamond and heart. I will show you. Okay, that is your spade card. Okay, and type no option there. That is your club card. What is the color of this one? This two is black. So how many cards are there in this? That is 13. That is your diamond cards. What is this? That is your diamond cards. And that is your heart cards. Okay, કેટલા છે? 13. It will be 13. So there are four shoot. There is a four shoot. 13 spade, 13 black, 13 diamond, 13 heart. So each one has one ace, one king, one ace, one king, one jack, and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 number card. એવી રીતે તમારા 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1 means S, એકો જેને આપણે ગુજરાતીમાં કહીએ છીએ. પછી એક જેકનું, એક ક્વીનનું ને એક કિંગનું. એવી રીતે બીજા 3 કાર્ડ્સ આવશે. ઓકે, I will show you. દરેકના અંદર એક આવશે, right? That is what S 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 jack, queen ને king. Get it? એવી રીતે આવશે. એટલે there are 4 S, one of spade, one of club, one of diamond, one of heart. The total number of S is 4. Similarly, total number of king 4, queen 4, jack 4. And total number of 2 number cards is 4, 3 is 4 and like 10 is 4. એટલે ટોટલી કેટલા થઈ ગયા તમારા? 52. ટોટલ નંબર કાર્ડ્સ કેટલા થઈ ગયા? 52. Again, that is your face card. Another face દેખાય છે ને? So that is your face card. And did you see face here? Another face દેખાય છે? આમાં દેખાય છે? No. So that is your non-face card. Another દેખાય છે? That is you will not see it says. So it is also non-face card. Okay. How many face card are there? Total face card કેટલા હશે? There are total number of face card. Jack માં આવશે 4. You have also face card for the queen 4 for the king. Total number of face card is 12. And total number of non-face card is how many total are there? 52. How many face card are there? 12. 52 minus 12 is equal to 40 cards. Is equal to 40 cards. Okay. Example number 4. Illustration number 4. I mean from your textbook. One card is drawn from a well-sifted deck of 52 cards. Calculate the probability that card will be an S, that card will be not an S. A S હોય કે ન હોય તેની probability આપણે શોધવાની છે. Now, how many cards, how many S are there? 4 types, spade, club, diamond and heart. આ 4 આવશે, બરાબર છે? આ આવે તો ચાલે યસ, આ આવે તો ચાલે યસ. This one valid, this one valid. While this one, any one of this one is not valid. Now I will shifted it. Okay, I will shifted it. Okay, now I will draw one cards. Is it, what is the probability that that is the cards of S for this one? What is the total number of favorable result? 4. Total number of favorable result, number of S is equal to 4. All suits. Probability of getting PEN. What is the total number of cards? What is the total number of possible outcomes? આ તમે ચેક આમાંથી ખેંચો છે એટલે તમારા ટોટલ આઉટકમ્સ કેટલા થશે? 52. So total number of outcomes is 52 because there are 52 cards in the deck. Okay, probability of getting as PE is equal to total number of favorable result 4 here, total number of outcomes 52. So 1 upon 13 is your answer. Okay, let F be the event card drawn is not S. S nothing. Total number of favorable result 52 minus 4. 4 एक्का सिवाय कोई पण चाले तो 48. Okay, P not getting NS. PF total number of favorable result, total number of all possible outcomes, total number of favorable result 48 upon 52 is equal to 12 upon 30. Okay, આને તમે બીજી રીતે બી કરી શકો. F is nothing but E bar. What is mean by E bar? What is F and E are complementary events. ये क्या है तुम्हारा? Complementary events, not F. PE plus PE bar is equal to 1. PE is equal to what? 1 upon 13. 1 upon 13. Where is it? Here. PE is equal to plus PE bar is equal to 1. So PE bar is equal to 1 minus PE. 1 minus 1 upon 13 is equal to 12 upon 13. That is your answer. Get it? Okay. Example number 5. I will read it. Two players, Sangeeta and Reshma, plays a tennis match. It is known that the probability of Sangeeta winning the match is 0.62. The probability of Sangeeta of winning is 0.62. You are given. Okay. What is the probability of Reshma winning the match? What is the probability of Reshma winning the match? That means probability of Sangeeta and probability of Reshma are complementary events. आ जीते तो आ हारे, आ जीते आ हारे तो आ जीते. Okay, so PS plus PR. PS probability of Sangeeta winning is 0.62. You are given plus PR. That is a complementary of S is equal to 1. We know that. Therefore, PR is equal to 1 minus PS. 1 minus 0.62 is equal to 0.48 is your answer. Okay, 38. 38 is your answer. Clear? Okay. Now example number 6. I will read it. Example number 6. Savita and Hamida are two friends. What is the probability that both will have different birthday? The same birthday. Okay? Different birthday or same birthday. હવે બે friends છે. One of is your Savita and one of is your Hamida. First of all, we will find the same birthday. એક જ તારીખે બંનેની બર્થડે આવે એની પ્રોબેબિલિટીઝ કેટલી તે આપણે શોધીએ. તો ટોટલ પોસિબલ આઉટકમ 365 days 365. ટોટલ નંબર ઓફ આઉટકમ્સ 365. ફેવરેબલ રિઝલ્ટ એક જ દિવસે બંનેની બર્થડે આવતી રહે એવો કેટલી ચાન્સ કેટલી રીતે થાય? ઓન્લી વન વે ઇઝ ધેટ. So total number of receipt is 1. So Savita and Hamida have same birthday is equal to P S same birthday is equal to total number of favorable result upon total number of all possible outcomes is equal to 1 upon 365. આ તમારો આવી ગયો 1 upon 365. Not on same birthday. Suppose not on same birthday. So let P-N is not on the same birthday. So P-S and P-N are complement of each other. So P-S plus Pn is equal to 1. Therefore 1 upon 365 plus Pn is equal to 1. Pn is equal to 1 upon 365 is equal to 364 upon 365 is your answer. The probability not on the same birthday is 364 upon 365. That is your answer. We have done the first example first, second here. Okay, get it?